Good morning, YouTube. Our next car for the dealership just arrived.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan and we are at the Howard, and we're going to be showing you our next car that's going to be in our dealership, and it's for sale right now. So if you're interested in it, please email us sales@ngsupercars.com. You can make an offer on it and maybe we can make a deal. But yeah, this one we were a bit nervous about because, well, you'll see why in just a second. If you want to support us, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also go check out normalguysupercar.com. There you can buy parts and services for your car. Yeah, let me show you this car. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful car, but I'm nervous. Oh shit, there it is. We've got a McLaren. Oh God, what have we done?
My God, Bones, what have I done?
Oh, hey, the wing works.
Yeah, I put it, at least we got that.
Yay, the wing works. No, it's only this section. Flimsy as hell. Jeez.
How did you open it? There's a button right here.
Oh, that's where the button is. All right.
God, look. What's the trick?
What? Oh, yeah, you gotta swipe, right? Oh, is that window not...
Swipe right or swipe left for the...
It's not shut all the way. Great.
I think we have to swipe left on the McLaren.
Well,
Swipe left.
so it's a beautiful car and it already has some issues. I think it's just got a pull.
No, it's... Here, let me try that.
There it goes.
There it is. There it is. I got it. There it is.
All right. Well, at least that window's working. The LCD screen is busted on the other side. Look at it. So this one, oh hey, went down all the way. Maybe it's working again.
Let me try.
No. God damn it, where are you? Stupid
So
McLaren.
the anti-theft device
It's
is
just-
the door.
Maybe it's further up. I don't know. Great, we're stuck with the McLaren. We can't even get in the damn thing. We did find some small marks in the PPF right there. There it is. How'd you do it?
I reached in.
Oh lordy, what have we done to ourselves?
It does go down. Now
We'll go up all the way. Come on, come on, no whammies.
No whammies, no whammies, no whammies.
Oh, it's fixed. Yeah, it wasn't going up all the way. We fixed something.
That's one thing off the list.
We fixed a McLaren. We're so damn good.
I'm not worried about the window.
Well, so hit the brakes. Hit the brakes real quick. Let me show you. Brakes, not the gas. See, that's busted.
Somebody's already taken this panel off and tried to reglue this.
Yeah, someone already tried to fix it. So far, I think that might be the only thing actually wrong with the car.
I was going to take it for a quick ride. You got to film Adam getting out of it.
I know, right? This is great.
No, actually getting out is a lot easier than you would think.
Well, you sit on the door sill.
It's not graceful.
Oh, it wasn't terrible. I mean, it wasn't
graceful.
It wasn't good. It wasn't good.
Paul Mercurio.
It gets worse.
Mark Wilson.
Yeah, for Eliza. 1.
But it's not terrible.
Well, so here's the good news: is the interior is actually very good shape. The exterior is actually in very good shape. We haven't driven it yet, so we don't know if it drives any
I'm about to
well.
take it.
So check out this interior. It's actually really good shape. Yeah, the leather's in great shape. Everything looks really nice. Lots of carbon fiber bits. We got 21,294 miles. It's a 2012. Yeah, she's looking pretty good. We just gotta fix a little bit here and there. Good luck with that door. I don't think that door's shut all the way. That's what was going on earlier, Adam. The door wasn't shut all the way.
I think you're
God
right.
damn, you gotta slam these doors. Oh yeah, I could hear that power steering pump. I hate the McLaren power steering pump. Listen to that. Hear that damn power steering pump? Yeah, they're really annoying. All the McLarens do that. Super annoying. It's all electric.
Wish us luck.
Have fun. Don't explode it. And it broke. No. Okay, she's all shined up and woo, yeah, that paint has a lot of metallic flake in it. That is a good looking color. I love it. Yes, we'll take it out just a second and do a review on it because, well, we might as well. Yeah, now it's clean. Okay, yeah, there's a few tiny marks in the PPF right there, and looks like, oh, that's just dirt. Okay. Yeah, we do have to fix that rear taillight. Oh, yeah, there's a chunk in the PPF. So good news is it does have the PPF. There's another chunk. Oh, no, just dirt. Oh, we gotta get that crap off the windshield. Yeah, it's annoying. I can't believe they stuck it to the windshield like that. That's really obnoxious. So outside looks pretty damn solid. All the wheels, as far as I could tell, looked pretty good. I don't see any marks on the wheels. We're checking them all out. No, and no. Hey, how about that? No curb rash. It's a miracle. All right, well, let's take it out for a spin. Okay, crawling into McLaren. Ooh. Okay. We have the rear lamp fault. Yeah, we know about that. All right, we're gonna have to fix that. Automatic. We went in sport. Sport handling, sport powertrain. It's been a long time since I drove one of these. So just sitting here in the parking lot, I can tell you the rear visibility is terrible, but it's actually quite comfortable. I'm very, very comfortable. Oh, God. Stiff. There we go. A little delay between clicking the button and when it shifts, but once it actually shifts, it's pretty quick. I'm a little surprised by that. I don't remember that. So, steering's pretty sharp. The only thing is it's electric steering, and that's actually one of my complaints about this car is I feel like the steering is just, I don't know, it's just a little weird. It's not terrible, it's not bad. It just takes a moment to get used to. Downshifts fast, wow. You can feel that turbo. It takes a moment for the turbo to spool up, and then it kind of like really starts to punch you. You can even hear the blow off going, phew. It's kind of cool actually. So not a whole lot of noise out of the car, you know, it's pretty quiet. You can actually hear it going, doing the blow-off valve stuff. Oh, we just crossed 21,300 miles. Ooh, it's interesting. The brake pedal and the gas pedal are super close together. I just accidentally hit both pedals at the same time. All right, here we go. Jesus. Holy shit, that's fast. Look, I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty awesome. Oh, Jesus. Whoa. I mean, as soon as that turbo's going, oh, she scoots. Hold on. I mean, here's the thing I'm going to say about McLarens. I don't like their handling as much. I don't like the general feel. But that's not because it's bad. It's just because that's what I'm used to. I like the feeling and handling characteristics of a Ferrari better. But the acceleration, I have to give like if I was to say which car has the more exciting acceleration, it's gonna be the McLarens. They just do. It's like close to Tesla levels of acceleration, but it's kind of odd because of the way it kicks in with the turbos. The handling is just a little bit numb. It's not terrible. I just wish there was just a little bit more to it, to the feedback. I think it's because it's electric steering. And you know, we have decent tech. I mean, we have a little screen here. It's a touch screen. It's got stuff you can do. I don't even know. I haven't even played with it yet. All right. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty fun. You know, I guess the question is like, is this more fun or equal fun to the 458? Because you know, when this came out, that was these were the competitors. All right, here we go again. Jesus Christ!
Jesus Christ! I warned you.
Wow. I mean, that was a bit of drama. You know, here's the thing that's funny is I don't remember the computers being that relaxed. You know what? I think when I drove it, they wouldn't let me put it in sport mode. That was sport mode, and it was getting squirrely and having a little bit of drama and being fun. This is a lot better than I remember. Yeah, good handling right there. Coming around these corners. Wow, it just sticks to the ground like it's not a problem. Bye, everyone. Oh, that's so cool. The big air brake in the back. All right. I really like this car. I'm having a blast. Okay. Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. Shouldn't be having this much fun. I'm a Ferrari guy. One more time. See, I'm getting squirrely. Yeah. All right, I'll admit it. This is a really fun car. I know I've been pooping on McLarens a lot my whole career, and I probably shouldn't have. There's one problem. Reliability, and it's not even so much the reliability, because, you know, I've heard a lot of people say that once these cars get some miles on it, you know, the stuff that's been broken will be taken care of. So this one's got 21,000, so arguably anything that was gonna break's probably been fixed, although we do have to fix two little issues. We have two little problems in this car. They're not a big deal. We actually Googled it, and there's actually DIY replacements for both of them. So we're gonna replace those things, and it's gonna be taken care of. The big scare is, of course, the transmission with the 12C. There was a ton of these that had the transmissions go out. At this many miles, the transmission's already, if it was gonna go out, it's probably already been taken care of. I don't think that scares me at all. I guess I'm saying I'm almost getting comfortable with the idea of having a car like this, and kind of wish we weren't going to sell it. Oh man, here we go again. It just pulls so hard. God damn, that was fun. Okay. I'm gonna have to pretend like I didn't like it. Damn it, why do I have to like this car? I shouldn't like this car. I really like this car. That was really fun. That was really fun. Oh my God. I enjoyed that tremendously. Absolutely hilarious car.
You can pull into the left.
It's a pile of shit.
I know.
I'm just kidding. Dude, that's... So I think my theory is when I drove one, they wouldn't let me put it in sport mode.
Oh, okay.
I'm telling, when we drove it, I was like, there's no way you could not have a smile on your face.
Right, when I drove it and you stabbed the gas, nothing happened. The car was just like, go.
Yeah. I
put it in sport, I stabbed the gas, it was all over the place. Yeah. I was like, oh, this is fun.
Yeah.
All right. I'm
got him.
Yeah. I just had to show you this. This is springtime in Texas. We washed this car literally 45 minutes ago. We took it out for one drive, that's it. And look you can see the dust where I had the suction cups. That's hilarious. So we put it up on the lift and, well.
Looks like a Tesla underneath.
There is nothing really to see down here.
It's cool though, it's all carbon fiber.
Yeah, this is all carbon fiber. That's kind of neat. Obviously all the body panels, so this is aluminum.
Wow, check it out. The brakes are made by AP Racing. I did not know that.
Oh wow.
That's cool.
Yeah. Oh, shine a light here? Okay, the boot's in good shape. Oh yeah, it is a tiny spring. It's tiny diameter. Can you shake the wheels, see if it's got any clunkety clunks or anything? Nope. Okay, good. Ball joints are good then. Same thing over there. And the boots look okay. The ball joints. CV boot. You can barely see it.
You can see it good from the side.
Oh, can you? Okay. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. Yeah, we're good there. So we did notice the tires need to go. Yeah, they're hard. The tires are 2016s. Not gonna be cheap tires, but I mean, yeah, some scalloping on the front PPF. Oh, here's a scrape. So messed up there. Oh yeah, and here. Oh, and they even tore the PPF. How'd that happen? Oh, this piece is damaged and missing a screw.
It's got the K40 sensors in there.
Oh, does it? Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. We gotta find where the controller is, or at least is there a remote in it?
There's a bag in there that
Okay.
says K40.
Nice. So we got the K40 in there. That's good. Lots of rock chips on this side. They didn't PPF down here. I don't know why. See that? They just stopped. That's kind of the worst of it. I mean, this thing could have used some scrape guards, and that would have stopped all of that.
You can't see it. It's so low. You can't.
Yeah, the good news is you can't see any of that. But yeah, she looks good. This is a little beat up too.
I mean, it's plastic.
Actually, this is rubber.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, look at.
Oh, well then.
Huh. That's interesting that there's not one on this side.
Maybe there was.
I think there was. It probably went bye-bye.
There's a bumper, like, to keep it from scraping.
I think so. That's probably what that was designed for, and it didn't solve the problem. All right, looking at the rear diffuser. Oh, some sort of.
It's a scratch.
Some scratch. Oh, will that
It's
polish
not a
out?
crack. No, you can feel it with your fingernail.
Oh, darn.
But it's not cracked though.
No, dude, I think it's just debris.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, get something. I think it's like a goo. Oh. Here's an actual scratch in the paint. See that? That could buff out. Yeah, we'll have to try and buff that out. It's just goo?
Shit on there, I think.
I mean, it's pretty damn clean for 21,000 miles and 2012. I say while we got in the lift, let's lower it down to head height and let's just do it. Will that come out?
Oh, it's dirt.
It's just dirt? Oh, nice. So dirt. Tires, the passenger AC control screen.
But that will be fixed.
And then the tail light. That's it. 3 things wrong with the car that are like needs immediate attention. Everything else seems to be fine. Drives fast as shit. I mean, it's pretty damn exciting.
I hear a fire truck is the other.
I know, right? We hear a fire truck. Is the Howard on fire? The McLaren's not on fire, so that's good. The Ferrari's outside. It's not on fire.
The Lambos are good.
Yeah, the Lambos aren't on fire. Nothing's on fire that we know of. Okay. Just a reminder, this Aston is still for sale. We just lowered the price to $129. Yeah. So now it's going to sell quick. One of you guys grab it, $129. And of course, our 430 that's super clean is still for sale. We're asking $135. So again, go check out ngsupercars.com. There you can buy any of these 3. And actually, we have another car that's arriving in like an hour. So you have to wait for that video. All right, so we kind of discussed it. We're going to ask for $119,000 on this thing. 21, probably about 22,000 miles-ish, somewhere between there. We're going to put on some new tires. We're going to fix that little screen, and we're also going to fix, what was the other problem? Oh, the taillight. We're going to get those things fixed. So those will all be sorted by the time this thing's actually gone. So don't worry. Yeah, we're just saying how much we love this color. It's so good in the sunlight. It looks so good. It's very beautiful. I have to say, I really like this car. I shouldn't like it, and I do. Damn it. Well, it's kind of like I've always said, you know, really when it comes to this level of car, you're splitting hairs. They're all awesome. Yeah, that's to do it, guys. We're going to be doing a lot more cool car stuff, so go check out NG Supercars. Go check out normalguysupercar.com. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll be seeing you in the next video. It's going to be sweet.